Hello everyone, this is Milan from Hypermedia, and in today's video I want to talk about inbound marketing. So let's hop into it. So, as I said in the previous video, I said I want to talk about inbound marketing when I talked about outbound marketing. Sorry if I'm butchering this word, but it's kind of hard for me to say it. I'm not a native English speaker. However, I am really advancing in my opinion. If not, then please comment down below. I fucked up, all that kind of stuff. Please. So, inbound marketing. What is inbound marketing? So, as I said in the previous video, outbound marketing is when you are reaching out to people and try to reach them by yourself. So, you going to them. Inbound marketing is when they are going to you. So it is like advertising, branding. It is basically branding. It is basically branding, marketing. So it is like when a follower buys something from you. This is inbound marketing. So you have to lure in the prospects that you have. This is inbound marketing actually. Okay, so in regards with the outbound marketing video, let's talk about the good and the bad things in inbound marketing. So let's talk about the good things. It doesn't require as much effort as, for example, the outbound marketing, cold calling, in a way, because you can prepare your content beforehand and yeah, it's kind of don't require that much effort, but it's kind of do. So yeah, I'm gonna say it in the bad things why it is require a lot of energy, but it's kind of yeah. So so yeah, what is the good thing about it? You are building a really strong bond relationship, and you are building a following. Basically, that's the good thing about it. Is you are building connections as well as with outbound marketing, but you're building more connections with inbound marketing because the people that following you or will follow you because of your content, because of your videos, they will like you because what you are saying. So, and sometimes with outbound marketing, they just work with you at first, and so it's a whole another topic. However, you can build up a following which can later be used for a lot of things. So this is why it's good, because yes, with outbound marketing you build up quite a big of following, or not just following, but prospects, a client list. However, with inbound marketing you may be not building a client list, however you're building a good following which can be later monetized for other stuff. So if you are just using outbound marketing, the problem is you have to reach out to people again if you are putting into the market a new stuff. So for example, a course, let's say in my case, if I put out a course and I just do outbound marketing, I have to reach out to all the people again to buy my course, and of course my clients, and get my referrals and all that kind of stuff. But with inbound marketing, you don't have to reach out to thousands of people. You just have to put out one video about your course, your ebook, and that's all. This is a good thing about inbound marketing and their following. And the other good thing is you can reach a lot of people. Yeah, that's kind of related to the followers, but not really, because you can reach a lot of people outside of your following. So this is a good thing about that you can reach out from your following, because with inbound marketing, for example, let's say LinkedIn, you cannot reach, if you're not in premium, you cannot reach anyone who is outside of your following or connection, sorry, if you are not having premium. But if you have, yeah, it's cool. Okay, so let's talk about the bad things. Okay, so inbound marketing, let's talk about the bad stuff. What is not that good about inbound marketing? So in terms of inbound marketing, the thing is, inbound marketing is really slow. If you are not really slow, but usually really slow, because it can be really fast. If you're making viral content, it's like butter. But if you are not, then it's going to take a lot of days, months, years maybe, to at least get like 1,000 followers, which is not much, but the first 1,000 follower is the hardest to get, and but when you are getting the first good 1,000 followers first, then it will be a really good snowball effect. So it will just roll your ball really good. So that's the bad thing about it. It's slow, and yeah. So that's the worst thing about it. It is slow and it is hard. So it's not require as much energy as outbound marketing, but it requires a lot of effort, a lot of time, and a lot of basically understanding of what content do your audience need. Because yeah, and that's require a lot of practice. So yeah, that's the bad thing about our inbound marketing, is it requires a lot of time, and with a lot of time, a lot of practice, a lot of understanding, but you learn a lot. That's a good thing about it. You learn a lot. Okay, so how to do it better? Post as much as you can post. So post 5 to 10 times a day if you have to, if you want to, but at least once a day or twice on every platform except maybe YouTube, because on YouTube, yeah, you can make a video every day, but at your own, it's kind of hard. And if you are not reacting YouTube video channel or not doing reaction videos, coming up 365 topics in a year, you will run out of topics really fast. Or if you are not a general kind of vlogger or all the kind of stuff, it's basically impossible to come out with 365 different topics every day. Oh no, not every day, every year. You can do it. It can be done. However, it is really hard. But with reactions, you can really you can make videos every day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and with this inbound marketing guide. And if you do, please leave a like down below, and yeah, leave a comment, guys, for the algorithm boost. And I'm seeing the next one. Goodbye.